Good morning, students. Myself Chitra teacher. Today in Maths we are continuing with lesson number 2 number work with problem set 5. The first question is children, write the place value of the underlined digit. Followed. Now the first sub question 1 is 78 lakhs 95,210. Now children, here on the screen you can see that on the top of each digit I have written their corresponding place value with the green sketch. Even you have to write it in your notebook. Okay, you have to write like in front of on the top of each digit you have to write its corresponding place value either with pen or pencil. Okay, why we have to write the corresponding place value of each digit? Because so that it will be easier for us to identify the place value of the underlying digit. Okay children, now in this question 78 lakhs 95,210, the digit underlined is 7. Okay children, so that means when you observe it clearly you will come to know that the 7 is in the digit 7 is in the 10 lakhs place. Okay, digit 7 is in the 10 lakhs place. That means the place value of digit 7 is 70 lakhs. Okay, how you will write in answer format? You will write in answer as the underlined digit 7 is in the 10 lakhs place. Okay, full stop. Then therefore next statement would be therefore the place value of 7 is 70 lakhs. So in this way you have to write this sum in your notebook. Okay children. Now students, our second sub question is the number given is 14 lakhs 95,210. Now as you can see on the screen, I have written the on the top of each digit I have written the corresponding place value in green sketch. Even you must write it in your notebook. Okay, now here the digit underline is children 4, and that means 4 is in the lakhs place. If 4 is in the lakhs place children, then what would be its place value? Its place value is 4 lakhs. Okay, so how you will write in the answer format children? You will write as answer, the underlined digit 4 is in the lakhs place. Okay, full stop. Therefore place value of 4 is 4 lakhs. Followed children? Okay, now our third sub question is the number given is children, it is 3 lakhs 52,749. Now again you can see that with the green sketch I have written on the top of each digit I have written each digit's corresponding place value. Okay, now here the digit underline is children, it's 5. Okay, now you see that 5 is in which place? It is in 10,000s place. Okay, 5 is in which place? It is in 10,000s place. So if 5 is in the 10,000s place children, what would be its place value? Its place value would be 50,000. Okay, 50,000. So how you will write in the answer format children? You will write in the answer as the underlined digit 5 is in the 10,000s place. Full stop. And the next statement would be therefore the place value of 5 is 50,000. Followed children? So in this way you have to write it in your classwork neatly. Now students, our fourth sub question, the number given is 50,000. Okay, now the next what you have to do is children, you can see that with the green sketch I have written the place value of the corresponding digit, right? Even you have to write it in your notebook. Okay, now here the digit underline is children, it is 0. It is in which place? It is in the units place. So what would be the place value of 0 children? It would be 0 only. Why? Because 0 doesn't have any value. Okay children, one thing you remember children, whenever 0 is present in any place, not only in units, in tens or in hundreds or in 1,000, 10,000, whenever 0 is present in any place, its place value would be 0 only. Now children, what you write in the answer for this? You will write in the answer as the place value of 0 at units place is 0. Okay children. Now our fifth sub question, the question given is children, the number given is 89 lakhs 99,988. Now the next what you have to do is children, you have to write the On the top of each digit, you have to write the corresponding place value. As I have written in the green sketch, you can write with either with pencil or with the pen. Now when you observe on the screen, children, the digit underlined here is 9. Okay, so 9 is in which place, children? 9 is in the 10,000s place. Okay, since 9 is present in the 10,000s place, what would be its place value, children? Its place value would be 90,000. Okay, its place value would be 90,000. So how you will write in the answer, children? You will write in the answer as the underlined digit 9 is in the 10,000s place. Okay, you will write as the underlined digit 9 is in the 10,000s place. Therefore, the place value of 9 is 90,000. Followed, children? So in this way, in a neat and clear manner, you have to write these sums in your notebook. Now students, our question number 2 is write the numbers in their expanded form. That means, children, we have to split each number and add as per their place values. Followed. Now here the first sub question given is, children, the number given is 56,43,215. Okay. That means, children, when you observe this on the screen, when you start from the left hand side and move towards the right hand side, digit 5 is in which place, children? 10 lakhs place. Digit 5 is in which place? It is in the 10 lakhs place. So its place value is 50 lakhs. Okay. Now digit 6 is in which place, children? It is in the lakhs place. That means the place value of 6 is 6 lakhs. Followed. Now the next is digit 4. Digit 4 is in which place? It is in the 10,000s place. Okay, children. So its place value is 40,000. Now the next digit is 3. 3 is in which place, children? It is in thousands place. So its place value is 3,000. Then digit 2 is in the hundreds place. So its place value is 200. And digit 1 is in the tens place. So its place value is 10. Okay. Now finally digit 5 is in which place? Units place. So its place value is 5. Okay, children. Now what you have to do is you have to write the answer as 50 lakhs plus 6 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, children. So in this way, you have to expand each digit as per their place values. Followed, children. Now our next sub question, that is question number 2, is the number given is 70,815. 70,815. Now when you move from left hand side to right hand side, children, here digit 7. The digit 7 is in which place, children? It is in the 10,000s place. So here 10,000s place means its place value is 70,000. Okay. Now here 0 is in which place? Thousands place. As I have told you already, if 0 is present in any place, okay, its place value will be 0 only, right? Now next is 8. 8 is in which place, children? It is in the hundreds place. So its place value of 8 is 800. Now digit 1 is in which place? Tens place. So the place value of 1 is 10. And the 5 is in which place, children? Finally, it is in the units place. So the place value of digit 5 is 5. Then, children, what you have to write it? You have to write the answer as 70,000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 5. Okay. Now students, our third sub question is, the number given here is 8,35,999. Here you can see on the screen that on the top of each digit I have written their corresponding place values. Okay. Now here we have to expand each digit as per their place values. Okay, children. Now when you move from left hand side if you move, The first is 8. Okay, here the digit 8 is in which place, children? It is in the lakhs place. So the place value of 8 is how much? It is 8 lakhs. Okay. Now the next is digit is 3. 3 is in which place, children? It is in the 10,000s place. Therefore the place value of digit 3 is 30,000. Followed. Now the next digit is 5. The 5 is in which place, children? It is in the thousands place. Therefore the place value of 5 is 5,000. Okay. Now next is, now the digit 9 is in which place? It is in the hundreds place. Therefore the place value of digit 9 is 900. Okay. Now we have one more 9. That is, here the place value of 9 is in which place, children? It is in the tens place. Okay. So therefore the place value of digit 9 is 90. Followed. Now the last is, finally we have one more 9 at the units place. Therefore the place value of this 9 would be 9. Okay, children. So what we have to do? Answer, we have to add up everything. That is, our answer would be 8 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. Okay, children. So in this way you have to write this in your notebook. Now our next sub question 4 is, the number given is 8 lakhs 88,889. Okay, children. Here digit 5 is repeated. So what you have to do, children? As usual, you have to write on the top of each digit their corresponding place values. Okay, either with pen or with the pencil. Now next is, children, if you move from left hand side, children, here digit 8, first digit 8 is in which place? It is in the lakhs place. Therefore the place value of 8 is how much? It is 8 lakhs. Okay, children, the place value of 8 is 8 lakhs. Okay. Now next is digit 8. Next digit is 8. It is in which place? It is in the 10,000s place. So therefore the place value of this 8 is 80,000. Followed. Now next digit, one more 8 we have. That is, this 8 is in which place, children? It is in the thousands place. So the place value of 8 is 8,000. Now one more 8 we have in the hundreds place. So the place value of this 8 would be 800. Okay. Now we have the one more 8 in the tens place too. So the place value of this 8 would be 80. Then finally we have digit 9 at the units place. So its place value would be 9, children. Okay. So how we have to write the answer as, children? We have to add it up everything together, right? So we will add 8 lakhs plus 80,000 plus 8,000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 9. Followed, children? So in this way you are going to write in your notebook in a neat and good handwriting. Clear? Now students, our last sub question is, the number given, that is fifth sub question is 92 lakhs 32,992. Okay, the number given is 92 lakhs 32,992, children. Now when you move from first, what you have to do, children? You have to write on the top of each digit you have to write their respective place value with the pencil or with the pen clearly. Okay. Now next is, children, for understanding here, when you start from left hand side, right from your left hand side, if you see here digit 9 is in which place, children? It is in the 10 lakhs place. Digit 9 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. So the place value of 9 is 90 lakhs. Okay, children, the place value of 9 is 90 lakhs. Okay. Now the next digit is 2. 2 is in which place? It is in the lakhs place. So the place value of this digit 2 is how much? It would be 2 lakhs. Okay. Now the next digit is 3. Children, 3 is in which place? It is in the 10,000s place. So this 3 is in 10,000s place. That means its place value is 30,000. Okay. Now next is 2. 2 is in which place? It is in the thousands place. It is in the thousands place. So its place value is 2000. Okay. Now the next digit is 9 we have. So this 9 is in which place, children? It is in the hundreds place, right? Since it is in the hundreds place, so its place value is 900. Okay. Now one more 9 we have in the tens place, right? You can see the place value of the 9 is in which place, children? It is in the tens place. So its place value is 90. And finally, the digit 2 is in which place, children? It is in the units place, right? So the place value of 2 is 2. Okay. So children, answer, how we will write the answer? We will write the answer as, we have to add it up everything, all the digit as per with respect to their place value, right? So first we have to add it up as 90 lakhs. Okay. 90 lakhs plus 2 is in the lakhs place. So 2 lakhs plus 3 is in the 10,000s place. So we write it as 30,000 plus, now 2 is in the again thousands place. So we write it as 2,000 plus 9 is in the hundreds place. So we write it as 900 plus, and again one more 9 we have in the tens place. So we write it as 90 plus 2. Okay children. So write neatly in your